Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another character from Cupcake and Dino, and this time it's gonna be Cupcake. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one is as easy and simple to draw as his sidekick Dino. So we're gonna start out with the eyebrow. So we're gonna come across with a slight curve. And then once you have that, we're just going to give it some thickness. So just come up and go across again with the same curve. And then right underneath it, we're going to draw in the eyeball. So one curve and then another one farther out here. And let me shade this in real quick so we can see it better. So he's got some pretty cool expressions with his eyebrow. Cartoon show. Okay, and then from here we can draw in his mouth. So we're gonna give him a nice frown. So we're gonna come across and just draw going down. And then a little bit of lower lip here. And then on the side here, I'm just gonna add a little bit of a crease there. Okay, and then with his frown, we're gonna draw in for the brow area. Just come across, and then we're gonna draw just two lines like that. Just trying to give him that funny expression. Okay, and then for his head, so come on the eye area right here, come out to the side. Okay, you can almost just make two little dots. And then we're gonna draw one curve going up. So it's gonna be like a bracket. So we're gonna go up, curve. Okay, and then once you have that, we're gonna continue this, just curve it, and then save a little bit of space in the middle, and then we're gonna go up, and then curve this one down. Okay, yeah, so it's very simple, but we're just trying to get the right proportions. So then to finish up the cupcake here, on the corner here, we're gonna start another curve. So this time it's just gonna be a little bit more symmetrical. Okay, and then come on the bottom here, we're just gonna close it off. Okay, and then now for the body. So right here in the corner, we're gonna come down. Just kind of pinch it in slightly. And then we're gonna draw one curve going up. So from the corner here, we're just gonna go one curve all the way up. Okay, and then we're gonna draw in, we're gonna come in and just stop there because we have to draw his legs first. So just give it a little bit of space, and then wherever we stop here, we're just gonna draw a really long rectangle. So it's gonna be really simple. And then once you have that, we can finish it off. So just kind of continue that line behind the legs. Alright, and then let's add in his arm. So for his arm corner, just come out slightly, come in. So same thing here, come out, go back into the body, and then we can draw in again, which is really simple. It's just drawing two lines, and he's got some fingers, but it's gonna be hard for me to draw, so I'm just gonna draw like a couple of loops there. You can't really see it, it's really small. Okay, so come down, just draw two loops. Alright, and then for the details on his body, for the cupcake, in the middle here, you can draw one line first. And then on this side, we're gonna draw one more, just following that slant. And then his other line is gonna be a little bit closer to the edge here. So that is it for this very easy to draw cupcake from Cupcake and Dino. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.